morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science in MGSS Darbhanga. In this video I am going to discuss about class 7 subject Computer Science, and here is the fourth chapter, Charts in Excel. This is the 8th day of this chapter. In the previous class I have discussed about how actually we are creating the charts. So we have two methods. First method we have already discussed in the previous class. By clicking the F11 keys on the keyboards, we can very easily able to create the charts, and that chart is by default chart, and then we can able to change that chart. And here next method, that is the second method, by creating a chart. So here we have the steps and we have to follow the steps, then we can very easily able to create the charts. Step first, select the cells containing the data for creating the chart. We have the Excel sheets, and in Excel sheets we have put the values of the data, and wherever we want to create the charts. So first of all we have to select the cells containing the data for creating the charts. So let's try to understand. So this is the Excel sheets, and this is the columns, and then this horizontal is the rows, and then we have putting the values, and in which values, by using which values we have to create the charts. So first of all we have to select the values, and after that we have to select the type of the charts from the charts group on the insert tab. So we have to go to the insert tab. After selecting the cells, we have to go to the insert tab, and insert tab we can able to find one of the category. That category is the chart group. So we have to go to the chart group. In chart group we can able to find one of the option. That option is the chart option. So we have to click on the chart option. Whenever we are clicking here this chart options, then a drop down list is coming, and here we can able to find variety of the chart is there. There's maybe column charts, bar charts, line chart, pie chart, and so many other charts is there. So we can able to select any charts according to our requirement, which type of charts we want. So we have to select. Suppose we want to have this chart, so we have to select here this chart. If we want to need such type of chart, then we have to select here. Then automatically that chart is coming on the current worksheets. Wherever here is the values, and the same worksheets the chart is coming. Either it may be the column charts, maybe the bar charts, which type of charts we have selected, so that chart is coming. So this is the very simple methods, and we can able to create the charts. So how this video was, you have to write the comments. Okay, thank you.